Hey, this is Safia. I will be your AI presenter for today. In this video, I will show you the new AI-powered rewriter from Copymatic. First, you need to type the article title that you want to rewrite. Then, open the article, copy the content that you want to rewrite. Paste the content, and click on Start Rewriting. You can also simply paste the article URL and Copymatic will get its content for you.
Copymatic will split the content into different sections and will automatically start to rewrite it section per section. The original content is on the left and the rewritten content on the right.
You also have the possibility to rewrite any section you want by clicking on the Rewrite button.
When your content is ready, you can export it by clicking on Export at the top.
So, are you ready to take your content marketing to the next level? Try Copymatic for free today.